We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the stocking stuffers for adults. 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool by ZWZO. If you own this multi-tool, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool is marketed as a versatile, compact, and gift-worthy gadget designed for both men and women. It is positioned as an ideal stocking stuffer, white elephant gift, or practical accessory for anyone who appreciates having a handy tool close by. The product is manufactured by ZWZO and features a unique snowflake-shaped design crafted from high-quality stainless steel. Each kit includes 2 multi-tools, one black and one silver, along with 2 key rings and 2 carabiners for convenient attachment to keychains, backpacks, or gear. The multi-tool measures 2.52 inches in diameter, weighs 6.4 ounces, and is designed to be both lightweight and durable, making it suitable for everyday carry. The appeal of the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool lies in its combination of form and function. The snowflake shape is not just an aesthetic choice, it allows the tool to incorporate a wide range of functions into a compact footprint. According to the manufacturer, the tool can be used as a bottle opener, slotted screwdriver, cross flathead screwdriver, Allen wrench, and for tightening or loosening nuts, bolts, and screws of various sizes. This makes it useful for tasks ranging from opening beverages to making quick repairs on skis, snowboards, bicycles, toys, and other everyday items. The multi-tool's stainless steel construction is designed to resist rust, corrosion, bending, and dulling, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The inclusion of 2 color options and multiple attachment accessories adds to its versatility and gift appeal. User feedback highlights several key strengths of the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool. Many reviewers praise its solid construction, noting that the heavy metal feel gives it a sense of reliability and durability. The tool's compact size and lightweight design are frequently mentioned as major advantages, making it easy to carry in a pocket, glove box, or on a keychain without adding bulk. Users appreciate the multi-tool's practicality for quick fixes, especially when a full toolbox is not available. The bottle opener function is often singled out as a convenient feature, and the multi-tool's ability to handle a variety of screws and bolts is seen as a significant benefit for people who enjoy outdoor activities, travel, or simply want to be prepared for minor repairs. The multi-tool's popularity as a gift is another recurring theme in user reviews. Many buyers report purchasing it as a stocking stuffer for family members, friends, or colleagues, with positive reactions from recipients. The tool's unique appearance and packaging make it a standout option for holiday gift exchanges, white elephant parties, and other occasions where a practical yet novel present is desired. Some reviewers specifically mention that the multi-tool was well received by men who are difficult to shop for, as well as by women who appreciate functional gadgets. The inclusion of 2 multi-tools in different colors allows for sharing or keeping one as a backup, further enhancing its value as a gift set. Despite its many strengths, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool is not without its limitations. Some users note that the tool's shape, while visually appealing, can make it difficult to use in tight or confined spaces. The size and design may prevent it from reaching screws or bolts that are recessed or located in awkward positions. Additionally, a few reviewers mention inconsistencies in the magnetic properties of the multi-tool, with some units exhibiting magnetic attraction and others not. While this does not affect the core functions of the tool, it may be a consideration for users who intend to use the multi-tool with magnetic fasteners or as a magnetic accessory. Overall, these drawbacks are generally seen as minor compared to the multi-tool's overall utility and value. Performance-wise, the multi-tool delivers on its promise of versatility and convenience. Users report successfully using it for a wide range of tasks, from tightening loose screws on wheelchairs and bicycles to opening bottles and assembling furniture. The multi-tool's sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand moderate force without bending or breaking, and its corrosion-resistant finish maintains its appearance even after exposure to moisture or rough handling. The tool's portability makes it especially useful for people who are frequently on the go, such as campers, hikers, cyclists, or anyone who values being prepared for unexpected situations. The inclusion of keyrings and carabiners allows for easy attachment to bags, belts, or gear, ensuring that the multi-tool is always within reach when needed. The multi-tool's design also lends itself to customization and personalization. Some users choose to engrave or decorate the multi-tool for added uniqueness, making it a memorable gift for special occasions. The black and silver color options provide a degree of choice for a matching personal style or preferences. The tool's compact size and lightweight construction mean that it can be carried discreetly, making it suitable for both everyday use and special outings. The multi-tool's appeal extends to a wide range of users, from construction workers and DIY enthusiasts to office workers and students, reflecting its broad utility and adaptability. In terms of value, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool is generally regarded as a cost-effective purchase, especially given that each set includes 2 multi-tools and multiple accessories. The tool's combination of durability, functionality, and gift appeal makes it a strong contender in the multi-tool category, particularly for those seeking a practical yet affordable present. The multi-tool's performance in real-world scenarios, as reported by users, supports the manufacturer's claims regarding its toughness and versatility. The product's high customer rating and positive feedback further reinforce its reputation as a reliable and well-received gadget. The multi-tool's suitability for gifting is enhanced by its attractive packaging and presentation. The inclusion of a unique gift box and the option to give one multi-tool while keeping the other adds to its flexibility as a gift solution. The tool's universal appeal makes it appropriate for a wide range of recipients, from fathers and husbands to coworkers and friends. The multi-tool's novelty factor, combined with its practical benefits, ensures that it stands out among other stocking stuffers and small gifts. The tool's ability to serve as both a conversation piece and a functional accessory makes it a memorable and appreciated present. From a usability perspective, the multi-tool is straightforward to use, with each function clearly integrated into the Snowflake design. The various wrenches, screwdrivers, and openers are easily accessible, allowing for quick and efficient use in a variety of situations. The tool's compact size does require some adjustment when handling, especially for users with larger hands or those accustomed to full-size tools. However, the multi-tool's portability and convenience generally outweigh any minor ergonomic challenges. The tool's stainless steel construction ensures that it remains free from rust and corrosion, even with regular exposure to the elements. The multi-tool's role as an emergency or backup tool is frequently highlighted by users. Many reviewers keep the multi-tool in their car, backpack, or desk drawer for unexpected repairs or tasks. The tool's ability to handle a wide range of functions makes it a valuable addition to emergency kits, travel bags, or outdoor gear. The multi-tool's lightweight design ensures that it does not add unnecessary weight or bulk, making it suitable for everyday carry. The inclusion of a bottle opener and multiple screwdriver options further enhances its utility in both recreational and practical settings. While the multi-tool excels in many areas, it is important to acknowledge its limitations. As noted by some users, the tool's shape may prevent it from accessing tight or recessed spaces, limiting its effectiveness for certain tasks. The multi-tool is best suited for quick fixes and minor repairs rather than heavy-duty applications. Users seeking a comprehensive tool for professional use may prefer a more specialized multi-tool or a full-size toolset. However, for everyday use, travel, or as a backup, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool offers a compelling balance of functionality, durability, and convenience. The multi-tool's popularity as a stocking stuffer and gift is supported by its high customer ratings and positive feedback. Many buyers report that the tool exceeded their expectations in terms of quality and usefulness. The multi-tool's unique design and practical features make it a standout option for holiday gifting, white elephant exchanges, and special occasions. The tool's versatility ensures that it will be appreciated by a wide range of recipients, from outdoor enthusiasts to office workers. The multi-tool's affordable price point and attractive packaging further enhance its appeal as a thoughtful and practical gift. In summary, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool by ZWZOO is a well-designed, durable, and versatile gadget that has earned high marks from users for its functionality and gift appeal. Its compact size, lightweight construction, and wide range of functions make it a valuable addition to any everyday carry setup, emergency kit, or travel bag. While it may not replace a full-size tool set for heavy-duty tasks, it excels as a convenient and reliable backup tool for quick fixes and minor repairs. The multi-tool's unique snowflake design, high-quality stainless steel construction, and thoughtful packaging make it an ideal stocking stuffer, white elephant gift, or practical accessory for anyone who values preparedness and versatility. If you are considering a gift for someone who appreciates useful gadgets, or if you want to add a handy multi-tool to your own collection, the 18-in-1 Snowflake Multitool is a strong choice. Remember, if you have used this multi-tool, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. For those interested in purchasing, the link to the product is in the description. Your support helps the channel and allows us to continue bringing you detailed product reviews based on real user experiences.